In this video we are going to understand how to make the star hunter game. So when I click on the green flag, the cat is following the mouse pointer and I'm supposed to catch the stars and need to make sure that I stay away from all these octopus things, and if I get in touch with any of them, so the game will be over. And they all are running after me, and you can see on the top left the score is also getting updated. So once I'm in touch with any of those, the game is over. So we need to understand how this works. The code is very simple. Basically we are taking three sprites. We are taking the cat, we are taking one octopus and making multiple copies of it and one star. So basically three sprites are there. Let's check the code one by one. Let's see for the cat first. So we are saying that when green flag is clicked, a background music should be there forever, continuously. And then we are saying that when green flag is clicked, so the size of the cat should be reduced a little bit, not actually 100%, but let's say 35% or something. And then it has to continuously follow the mouse pointer. Only these two instructions are there for the cat sprite. Then moving forward with the octopus. With the octopus you can see that when the green flag is clicked, the actual size should be reduced a little bit so that multiple octopus can fit on the same screen. Then we are giving some default the locations, like it should continuously keep on moving, like from different positions to different positions, and then it should continuously change the color and continuously move. If it is coming onto the edge, so it should bounce back, like it should not go away from the game stage area. And if it touches the cat sprite, then stop everything, that means game is over. So this same instruction will be there for all the octopuses. We are using multiple octopus here to make it difficult to play. Then for the star, the instruction is pretty simple, that when you click on the green flag, so the score variable that you see on the top or top left, if you follow my mouse pointer, so that should be set to 0. So every time I click on the green flag, you can see the score is set to 0. And if it is touching cat, the star is touching the cat, so the score need to be updated by 1, and a particular sound should be played like this one, and it should again go and be visible on some random location. So for that random location I'm using this random function. I'm giving the coordinates of the screen, like within this with this frame limit, it should be visible, it should not go beyond the game stage area. So only these three sprites are there and these simple instructions are there, and we are through with the game. So once you click on the green flag, so you have a background music, and all the octopuses are running through the game stage. They are bouncing back on the edges and they are changing colors, and the star is changing the score and giving some fairy dust sound when in touch with the cat. And once the octopus is in touch with the cat, then game is over.